Hey guys, what's going on? So today's Christmas Eve. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this model I designed a couple days ago. Check it out. This right here is a Christmas card envelope, and so it works kind of like a Christmas card too, and it's also an envelope. So when they open it, you can just tell them to peel the piece of tape off the back. Let me do that for a second. So just peel the tape off, and then you pull these two tabs right here, and then you lift the top up and bottom, and they can be amazed on what you gave them. So, yep. Alright, ready, set. Okay, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so here is the model up close. So when you try and seal it, you just put a piece of tape back here so it doesn't open up. And yeah, and then when you give it to someone as your gift, you just tell them to peel the tape off, and then you pull these two sides like this, and then you open it up, and they'll be amazed on what you gave them. So yeah, so you can put like a bill in there, money. So yeah, so I'm using this $1 bill here. You put it in like that, and then you just refold it just like this. See? And then put a piece of tape right here to keep it closed. So yeah, there it is. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to fold this. So for this model, we're going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you could probably do it from any size square, but I think 6 inch is a nice size. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half both ways. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. This is a pretty simple model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model. So, fold in half both ways. Okay, unfold, and now let's divide this into 8. So fold the two opposite corners to the middle. Like this, and repeat on this side. Okay, unfold. And now fold this point to the last intersection. Or to the last crease, doesn't matter. Unfold, and now fold it to the nearest crease. Okay, and don't unfold this time. Rotate like this, and fold this point to this corner. Like this, unfold, and fold it to the nearest crease. Okay, and now we're gonna fold this up right on this crease right here, like this, and fold this down over this edge, like that. So that's what it looks like. Alright, now turn over, and now fold these two corners to the middle. And be careful when you crease sharply, so that way you don't tear the middle back. Okay. Yeah, be careful on this middle point. Okay. And oh look, here we have eyes. Okay, but we're not done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unfold here and fold this point to this point. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit so you can see. Okay. That nice and sharp, and fold this down on this crease like that, and unfold here and fold this point to this point. And crease sharply and fold down on the crease. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to unfold one of these, and we're going to rabbit ear these two corners. So here's how we're going to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge, but we're not going to crease the whole thing. We're just going to crease from this point to this crease, just halfway like that, or from the crease to this point. It doesn't matter. just crease on this section. Okay, unfold and repeat on this side. So fold this edge to this edge, but don't crease the whole thing, just crease on this section right here, just to that crease. See? Just like that. And now remake those folds at the same time. And we're gonna open this pocket right here, and we're gonna squash it so that these 2 points land on these 2 points, like this. This, I guess, is probably the hardest step of the whole model. But still not that bad though. Okay. And repeat on this side. So make the wrap here, so fold this edge to here, but don't crease it all the way. Just crease to that crease right there. And same on this side. Fold it to the edge and crease halfway. And make those folds. Going a little bit faster this time. And open the pocket and squash it so that these 2 points right here land on these 2 points. Like this. Alright, and once we do that, we are done. So here it is. So here's the envelope Christmas card. So here's how it works. So remember, when there's already a gift in there, and if you want to keep it closed, like really keep it closed, I recommend putting a piece of tape on here. So I'm going to show you how to use this thing. So to open it, to put a gift inside, all you do is you just pull these 2 white tabs right here, and it opens up nicely just like this. And then you unfold here and unfold here, and then you can put like a gift inside. So I'm going to take my $1 bill out of this one. So open this up here. Okay, so and you just place the $1 bill in this middle square right here, so right in the middle, like that. And then you can fold like this, fold the 2 sides in, doesn't matter which side. And then you make this rabbit ear right here, like that. And then make that one as well. So we're just remaking all the folds. And then to seal it, just use a piece of tape. I think any tape works with this, but this is just invisible tape. So it's like, this is just like Scotch tape. So yeah, and then you just put the piece of tape right in the middle right here. See, like this. And now see, as you can see, it's sealed, or in other words, it's locked. Okay, and you can stick it under your Christmas tree, and yeah. And then when you tell them to open it, you just tell them to peel the tape off like this. Just give me a second here. There we go. And it's alright if it kind of ripped like that. And this is like a Christmas card, so Christmas cards you just rip open. Oh geez, I ripped it pretty bad. It's alright. And you just pull the 2 points, and then you open here, and they'll be amazed on what gift you gave them. So yeah, there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this model, and make sure you subscribe. And this is George Washington signing out. Alright, see you guys later.